You make everything to a song. Okay, let's get this. Vamos a hacerlo. Podemos hacerlo. Vamos a hacerlo. Come on. You can make anything to a song. Anything. Cualquier cosa de la vida. See? Excuse me, mister. Excuse me, Mr. Little Baby. What are you up to? I have my flowers. And thank you. Excuse me.
Mama died.
Huh?
I don't think Mama died.
That's the name of the guy,
I
Kofi
don't know
Olomide?
how to pronounce it.
No, Kofi Olomide. No, this is a Hispanic song. Ani like a
Shakira?
cholo, cha cha cha. What?
Shakira's Hispanic.
Yeah, but it's not Shakira. It's not Shakira. It's not Kofi Olomide. It's a guy. It's one of those guys that do like raperos or whatever. I don't know. Anybody, please? Let me know who sing Ali like a cholo, so I can put it. So I can show my kids. Mister. I feel like every time if I clean this and it's clean, I can see it. If there's only like flowers or a candle or something, then in my head, I'm like, this is clean. The house is clean. And it motivates me to clean the whole place. If this just this little, help me. If this little place is, looking clean, there's no stuff, then too good. Like, or maybe one of those telenovelas that I watch, like that name, you can just say that, Posete, and I watch it. You guys like telenovelas? Guys, that's how I learned Spanish, watching novelas. Coming from I think I'll be am I dramatic enough to make one of those novelas? I think I can act in the novelas. What do you think, guys? I'm keeping the water hot for anybody who wants to come and drink some tea. These wipes. So far, since I discovered these wipes, when they send it to me by Pink Stuff, I love them. I've been using nothing by them. I haven't purchased anything else. Messes and cleanup and Actually, you can do a deep clean. I use this for my kitchen, for my appliances, for the table, for the bathroom. They clean, like they clean so great, and they're good for the environment. I have not bought anything else since the pink stuff sent me this, and I've been using this ever since. Like I'll go to the store and get more. I have not bought any other brand. Like this thing is finished. Okay, I think right. I'll do this and rinse it a couple times. Why? Because this is soap and I'm doing like excuse me, sir. Hello, sir. Can I help you, sir? Can I help you, sir? Are you hungry? Do you need some food? Do you need some food from the stove? Well, the stove is not ready. I focus more right here because it's the dirtiest. Right here too. You see, like, you see, but it's not as much. So I cover my stuff when I'm cooking, but still, right? Pink stuff, of course. I love this pink stuff. They call I don't know. All I know is the pink stuff. Multi something cleaner. No, microfiber pads. I think they call these things for appliances. When I'm cleaning the bathroom, the mirror. And it works great for the pink stuff, you know, pink stuff cleaning product. Even with other products too. Regular schmegular water. Regular schmegular water. Clean stone, so it's safer. It's good. Regular. Now, what I have left is the dishes, right? So. Mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes.
Spiritual drawing units.
that, make sure you put some soap.
Dad says the hygiene safe so that he was playing.
I don't know, go put it under my bed or something because Alison, there's 2 of them. Go get the other one and put it in there. Put it the same way. And later on, you let me know where you put them, okay? Mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes. I think I might want some mashed potatoes for lunch. I'm over here thinking about what to eat for lunch. I haven't even had breakfast. Man, boy, take those toys back downstairs. Ah. Boy, go sit down with your father. It's not that. I'll put it in another bit. Give me a second. Dame un segundo nomás. Oh, maybe more than a second. A minute. Mashed potato, mashed potato. Mashed potato, mashed potato. Mashed potato. Alisa, is the dog in the house? Is the dog in the house? Do you have the bed for him?
Huh?
Is he on his bed?
Yeah.
I think this thing has to be a little bit here. I need a brush. One of those brushes. Like this. What do you think?
Julie, something.
Come, let us see what